Alright guys, so today we're going to create something, or actually this. This is Justin Timberlake's single artwork, and I thought it was pretty cool because I just like the picture of the woman, how she's silhouetted out, and it's kind of his face on it. I really like that effect, and then the typeface is pretty simple to do, so we'll get something along the lines of this. So it's pretty easy to duplicate. We'll just need a few things. So first we'll need a picture of, this would be kind of the I guess I'd say most difficult thing to get, because first you need a nude woman, and then second you would need kind of like a pretty good day with some good lighting coming in. So you'll get something along the lines where her back's kind of shadowed out, and you get a nice rim light on her kind of outer, just outlining her body and figure. In between that, you can put anything, essentially anything you want. I have this picture of the CN Tower by my place. Also have a picture of my face. So we can kind of play with that, play around with that, and yeah, so let's get started. So since it is for YouTube, let's create a 1920 by 1080. Just name that. So the first step you would have to do, there's no easy way around this. You'd have to solo this girl out. I found the easiest and most cleanest way is the pen tool, because if you're trying to kind of like use a magic wand, a lot of this stuff will get in the way and you won't get a clean image. So pen tool is kind of a laborious way of doing it, but it's the most cleanest way I found. So let's just go inside, get tight in there. So after we select it with the pen tool, task of that, let's just put a layer mask on that selection, and there you have her soloed out. And then if you bring her over to the new one, so yeah, so basically that's the most intensive part of the tutorial, but what you can do later or now is bring in the pictures that you want to overlay in there. So all you really need to do is select kind of the soloed out part of her, and then on that mask select the inverse, and then just color the layer mask in. Like that. So everything outside will show or disappear. Everything inside will be in there. And to just get her kind of features of the body, you can apply the, you can change the blending mode to screen. So we'll bring it down a bit and bring out her features on the kind of the highlights out. So like the rim light like this, And then also you can just bring down the opacity just a bit, just so you can show some more of her body coming up. And I don't like the bottom part of this because it's a little too busy for me, so what I'm going to do is just going to gradient it out. So we have CN Tower. We can also put my face in there. So I'll do the same thing and then kind of solo that out. Oops. Select that. Kind of the same thing, apply the layer mask. Essentially you can, let's put filter on me, and then let's just color pick my face and adjust accordingly. And again, the same thing for kind of my face on there. Change the blending mode to screen. Oh, get rid of that. And take down some of the opacity. Yeah, and that's basically the image right there. My face right there. And so let's move on to the text. The text is very simple. It's just the Helvetica. So JT, it's on Helvetica Neuro bold. Oh, before I do that, let's just kind of color pick that. I notice there is a gradient on the letters, so let's color pick that one. Color pick the top part of it. And then all you want to do is go into the effects panel of the letter, then put a gradient overlay on it with the color chosen ones, and reverse that because it did go from light to dark, something like that. So you can just duplicate this, oops, and then just rename that to the T. So we can just copy the layer style and apply that to this one, the TUN. And all it is they just really went far with the kerning. Let's duplicate that. And they didn't change the kerning on it. Instead, they just resized it to fit within kind of the block. So yeah, that's basically how you get this artwork using just a few simple photos and also a few simple tricks to the typography. So something like that, you can achieve the same effect, and you can essentially change whatever's in there to whatever you like. So yeah, that's basically all you need to know for this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you haven't already, check out my last tutorial and my YouTube film every day. Thanks for watching, guys.